Video. In this video we're going to take a look on how to solve this particular problem after uploading an app and they're telling you you need to use different version code for your APK or Android app bundle because you already have one with version code 1. So how to solve this very problem? So let's take a look. Go to our Android Studio and we'll see how we can solve the problem. So yeah, we have to go to app, res folder, build Gradle. So yeah, we have to change our app version because I already uploaded the first one. We'll put the 2, and then yeah, it was 1 point. Then we'll put 2.0. After finish doing it, you have to go to app here, build.gradle model app. After doing that, you have to click sync now. So when you sync now, everything is build completed successfully. So now we have to rebuild again. So release, and then go to build, generate our file. I've already done all this process, so this is I'll explain it later in another video. And then click finish. It all depends how big the size of your app is. It's gonna take some time, some complete. So locate our APK file. So and you drag it. I'll drag mine to my desktop. You can drag whatever your own is. And then now we have to upload it again back. So we offload. It's gonna take some time, so just gonna be patient a little bit. Let's see how everything's gonna work. Processing, come on. There you have it. Now it's off. Now everything is successful. So let's go to review. So now you have to enter. Just go to, I just say second release, my second release. Second release, save, review, and now start. Your app will be blah 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 confirm. There we go. So that's how you solve the problem. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video with anyone, your family. If you're not subscribed, please see the subscribe button. Let's keep development, Android development and iOS development forward. Until then, see you guys.